Welcome to Knowledge Shots. Hey guys, do you want to know how the crime scenes are solved using forensic science? Right then, let's find out. Forensic science uses science to solve legal issues within the civic and criminal justice system. Being in forensic science, the first thing you need to look for is evidence. Evidence is an item or fact presented in court to show the truth about what happened in a situation. Some of the examples of evidences that forensic scientists look at are: how does fingerprint and DNA play major role in evidence? Let's find that out. Each fingerprint pattern is unique to a specific person, including loops, whorls, and arches, and therefore a very reliable way of identifying a suspect. DNA is a chemical material that is unique to each person's body. It makes them who they are, and can't be changed. It's a self-replicating material that is present in nearly all living organisms as the main constituent of chromosomes. It is the carrier of genetic information. Forensic science, also known as criminalistics, is the application of science to criminal and civil laws. Forensic scientists collect, preserve, and analyze scientific evidence during the course of an investigation. While some forensic scientists travel to the scene of the crime to collect the evidence themselves, others occupy a laboratory role, performing analysis on objects brought to them by other individuals. A forensic anthropologist can assist in the identification of deceased individuals, whose remains are decomposed, burned, or otherwise unrecognizable. The physical markers present on a skeleton is used by a forensic anthropologist to determine a person's age, gender, stature, and ancestry. Forensic pathologists specialize in performing postmortems for medical and legal purposes. This is done to understand the cause of death of those who die suddenly or unexpectedly or violently. Forensic toxicologist performs scientific tests on bodily fluids and tissue samples to identify any poisons or chemicals present in the body. Forensic entomologists examine insects found in and around human remains to determine the time of death. Computer forensics is used to examine digital media in a forensically sound manner with the aim of identifying, preserving, recovering, analyzing, and presenting facts and opinions about the digital information. Okay, let's just take a real-life scenario and see how the forensic team will work. The police got a call from a hotel. The hotel manager informed that there is a rotten body found at the corner of their hotel compound. Police along with forensic team came to the spot where the rotten dead body was found. Forensic team collected the evidence near that victim's body. Evidence they collected was a watch, mobile, and long curly hair. When they inquired the hotel employees, one of the hotel employee told that a few days back, a gentleman and a lady visited our hotel, and the man had the same type of mobile and watch found as one of the evidences. Since the body had rotten, they were not able to find the gender and other details. So, they sent the body along with the evidences found to forensic laboratory for further tests. Forensic pathologist did detailed post-mortem, collected the bodily fluids and tissue samples and sent to toxicologist. Toxicologist identified poisonous chemicals present in the body, and to determine gender of the body, it was sent to anthropologist. By studying physical marks on the skeleton, they declared it's a man. For further investigation, police needed the time of death. With the help from entomologist, police determined the time of death by examining the amount of composure in the body due to insects. When they came to know that the victim was a man, and he killed by some poisonous chemical, then the police started searching for that missing lady. With the help of computational forensic team, they traced the lady's location and arrested her. But to prove she is the victim, they took her fingerprints and DNA samples. Fingerprints on the mobile phone, and DNA samples they got from the hair, matched, and they concluded that culprit was the lady. Till date, forensic science has had a significant contribution in saving thousands of innocent lives, from unnecessarily getting sentenced to imprisonment, or even getting capital punishment. Forensic science is truly a lifesaver, and an embodiment of justice. In the description below, I have given forensic science courses and career details. Those who are interested, go through it. Okay then, I hope you found this video interesting. If you want to receive more such interesting content, please do subscribe to my channel. See you soon with my next video.